Area and perimeter.
Definition: the area is the space inside the shape. Step 1, you would look at your figure. If the figure is an irregular figure, split the figure into smaller shapes to make it easier to find the area. So you would split the figure into smaller shapes. So split that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one, and you would have 6 different shapes right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here to work with. And here are all your shapes. You would have a 7 by 3, 2 by 2, 6 by 2, 5 by 4, 7 by 2, and 2 by 2. Same what you have over here. Then you would multiply all the sides together. So you would do 5 times 4 equals 20. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 2 equals 14. 2 times 2 equals 4. 6 times 2 equals 12. 2 times 2 equals 4. And then you would take all the sides that you added up and you would add them over here, and you would get the area of 75 centimeters squared.
Perimeter. The total amount of distance around the figure. Step 1. Add up all the sides of the figure. So you would add up this, 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 and last this. So basically what I just got over here. Adding up all this would get you P equals 64 centimeters.
Example 1. You would draw your figure, so this is a pretty easy figure, but we'll work with it. So your side would be 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, and you would split the figure up, so you would have 2 figures right here, and it would be 5 times 2 and 5 times 2 because of your 2 numbers right here, and it's all the same sizes. And then you would do 5 times 2 equals 10, and 5 times 2 equals 10, and then 10 plus 10 equals 20 cm squared would be your answer.
Now we're going to start perimeter. The same shape, obviously. Okay. 2, 5. Over here we're going to add 2 more 2's because during area we didn't need it. 5, 2, and 5. And units is cm. Okay. So I'm going to add up my 5 plus 2. So I got these 2. Plus 2. Sorry, I forgot that. And I messed up. Sorry, I made a mistake right over here. Instead of this 5, this should be a 2. And that should be a 5. Okay, so I added up that 2 plus 5 plus 2. So I got the 5, I got this 2, I got this 2, plus 2, plus 5, plus 2, equals 25 centimeters. And that's my answer.
Okay, so today we're going to be talking about area and circumference of a circle. First, we're going to learn some definitions. Radius is the centermost point of a circle to any edge of itself.
Diameter is a line measuring 2 points on a circle's edge across from each other.
The center is the middlemost point of any closed figure.
Here's a diagram.
The diameter is the whole line across that, and the center is the middlemost point, and the radius is 1/2 of the diameter, pretty much.
Here's an example to find the area and the circumference of a semicircle.
Really, you did that? The radius is 3.79, and now we need to find the diameter. And to find that, we're going to need to multiply the radius by 2, and if you get it right, you should get 7.58. See? Right? Yeah. Okay, now we're going to need to use pi, not a lot of the numbers, just 3.14. And now we have both the diameter and the radius over there. Now we're going to figure out the area of a circle. Now we need to do 3.14 times 3.79 to the second power, and we should get 141.62. Now we need to find the circumference. The circumference is 2 pi r, and now we need to multiply 2 by 3.14 times 3.79. We can also do diameter times pi, or pi times diameter, whichever. And if you multiply correctly, we should get 23.8019. What?
To find the circumference of a circle, as you know, the formula is 2 times pi times r. So, we're going to find the distance around the track. First, you have to separate the two circles that are on the ends of the track, and then you're going to reattach them, and it'll look like this. Then, you'll add 200 to itself, because you have to find the perimeter of the whole track. And then that answer plus the formula will get you your answer. Alright, so step 1, when you reattach the circles, you have to find the radius, which will be 25 because the track was 50. Then you're going to add 200 plus 200 and you get 400. So then you have to apply the formula. 400 times 2 times 3.14 times 25. You'll get 400 plus 157. The circumference will be 557 feet.
Squared.
Yeah.
I think. I don't know.
Okay, here's an example.
Another one.
Like the last problem, you have to reattach these two semicircles and then put them together. So the new radius will be 10 because the semicircles together were 20. And then you add 50 plus 50 and you get 100. And then 2 times pi times 10 times 100 plus 100.
That's
10. And you get 20 times 3.14 plus 100. 62.8 plus 100, and you'll get 162 plus 8. And the whole distance around the track will be 162.8 feet.
Next.